Hi guys, we've got another drawing challenge for you. We've been so impressed with your drawings that you've sent us when you've took part in the tutorials. They've been amazing and we'd love for you to keep taking part and sending us your pictures. So let's start. Firstly, I need you to draw an egg shape, roughly about a third of the way down the paper. Remember, if you keep the pencil light, it's easier to rub out any wee mistakes we all make. Then I want you to take your pencil and draw down from the egg shape, bring it round, and then down from the other side and bring it round and join it up, like that. The next thing I want you to do is on the bottom part, under your egg shape, I need you to make a little curve, like that, and then a little curve and follow around the same shape as what you've just drew and bring it up to join it, nearly join it at the top. Then I want you to draw an oval shape here, like that. Then some lines, little curves here, 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 and here. And what I want you to do now is take your rubber and rub out this line here. And just tidy it up a little bit, like that. You may be able to work out what the shape is. So the next thing we're going to do is a little curve here. And the same the other side. Don't worry if it isn't the same. And then I want you to curve it in a little bit, bring it down and join it there. And the same on the other side. So bring it in and then curve it round and join it up there. The next thing I want you to do is go round the outside of what you've just drawn and match the same shape. And the same on this side. Like that. And then if you put 3 wee lines, 1, 2, 3, and the same the other side, 1, 2, 3. The next thing I want you to do is to draw a little arch here and one on the other side. Then a circle above the arch and the same on the other side. Like that. Then I need to add another circle inside the circle. The same on the other side. And another little circle in that one and in that one. Then I want you to draw a little arch here and a little arch here. And then curve it round and bring it back to the end. Curve it round and bring it back to the end. The next thing I need you to do is underneath the trunk, because I think you know what you're drawing. So I want you to take a line down and then make a little triangle there, and then bring the line down again. Bring a line down the middle and then curve it round, and the same on the other side. Then you need 3 little hills, so 1, 2, 3, and the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3. Then I need you to start up at the bottom of the face, bring it down, curve it round and stop. So like a loose S. Then I need you to bring a line from about here out a little bit. Then I need you to join this up with a circle. And then I need 1, 2, 3. And then the same on the other side. I need you to draw a line out and another line out, and then join it again with the circle.